Good morning, my dear student. I hope you all are fit and fine. And today we are going to study another important, interesting topic from metal and non-metal, that is extraction of metal in the middle of the activity series. Okay, so what are the metals which are present in the middle of the activity series? Yes, they are zinc, iron, lead, which are found in form of oxide, sulfide or carbonate ores. Okay, these all are the ore, and from that ore we have to extract metal. Okay, previously we have done it with mercury as well as copper by heating, because mercury, copper, these are the metals which are low in the activity series. Simply we can extract metal from their ore by heating. Now see here children, here few different steps we have to take. This zinc, iron, lead are found in nature in form of oxide, sulfide and carbonate ore. It is easier to obtain metal from their oxide than from their sulfide or carbonate. I think in previous video also I have discussed that metal very easily it can be extracted from its metal oxide, okay, as compare with its carbonate and sulfide. If metal oxide will be there, very easily we can convert metal oxide to metal, or you can say reduction will be very easily. In a very easy manner, metal can be extracted from metal oxide ore. So, non-oxide ore, suppose if ore is present in form of sulfide or in form of carbonate, then in that case children, further we have to convert that sulfide or carbonate into oxide form before reduction. Because children, before reduction it is very much essential to convert this ore into oxide form, because after that reduction will become very easily. So non-oxide ore means children, that is the ore which is present in form of sulfide or carbonate can be converted into oxide. Our first target is that if metal is present in metal oxide form, the ore is present in oxide form, then it is okay. But if the ore is present in non-oxide form, okay, if non-oxide ore is there like sulfide or carbonate, so our first target is to convert non-oxide ore into oxide form by the process of calcination and roasting. Okay, we have to convert this sulfide, you can see sulfide and carbonate, to oxide form, and then its reduction will become very easy. Now see children, roasting and calcination are the two important points, because many times differences ask what is roasting and what is calcination. See, roasting is heating of ore in presence of oxygen. Means the ore, here we have taken zinc blend, it is an ore of zinc. When ZnS, zinc sulfide, it is also called zinc blend. When it is heated in presence of oxygen, see, it will get converted into zinc oxide with release of sulfur dioxide gas. Okay, here you can see this process has been used to convert sulfide ore into oxide form. See, this sulfide, this non-oxide form, this is present in non-oxide form, or you can say it is present in sulfide form. So by heating it in presence of oxygen, very readily it is getting converted into oxide form, zinc oxide. Now second step is calcination. If the ore is present in carbonate form, that what will happen? Again we have to heat it, but here it will be done in absence of oxygen, and that process is known as calcination. It is the heating of ore in absence of oxygen. Here you can see it is used for converting this carbonate into oxide form. See, here you can see it is a carbonate form, and this from carbonate we are converting it into oxide, and here heating is done in absence of oxygen, and this process is known as calcination. Okay, now see children, this non-oxide form, here by the process of heating, in first step it is done in presence of oxygen, and in second step it is done in absence of oxygen. By these two method, that is calcination and roasting, we have converted this non-oxide form to oxide form, that is zinc oxide, and here also it is converting to zinc oxide, and here carbon dioxide gas is released. Because carbonate is there, many times I have told you that if we will heat any compound of carbonate, then it will get released in form of CO2 gas. As soon we have converted it to oxide form, children, very easily the reduction of metal oxide to metal takes place. Here further the next step is the reduction of metal oxide to metal. It is done with the help of reducing agent. See children, previously in the case when metal present low in the activity series, simply the oxide, metal oxide, when we have heated the metal oxide, by heating only it has get converted into metal. If you will see the previous video, like for copper and mercury we have done. But for these metals which is lying in the middle of the activity series, like zinc, iron, lead, here for reduction we have to use reducing agent. Okay, and here which reducing agent we have used? Carbon or coke. Here we have used coke or carbon. It is a reducing agent here. Now see children, the oxide ore is then reduced to metal. The metal oxide, that is zinc oxide, can be converted or reduced to metal by heating with a reducing agent. By heating with reducing agent, that is C, coke, the most common reducing agent. And here you can see zinc oxide, when it is treated with reducing agent, it forms zinc plus carbon monoxide. Here we have obtained zinc metal from metal oxide. From zinc oxide we have obtained zinc metal. See children, this is zinc blend, ZnS zinc blend, and zinc carbonate. It is also a ore of zinc. It is called calamine. It is called, this zinc carbonate is known as calamine. And here you can see carbon or coke is a reducing agent, because itself it is getting oxidized. See, coke is itself, it is getting oxidized. From C it is getting oxidized to CO. And what is the work of reducing agent? Either it will add hydrogen or it will remove oxygen. Here you can see it is removing oxygen from zinc, and itself it is getting oxidizing from carbon to carbon monoxide. And here zinc oxide is getting reduced to zinc metal. Okay, once again I am repeating, this metal oxide, reduction of metal oxide takes place, and this zinc oxide is getting reduced to zinc, and this reducing agent is getting oxidized to CO. In this way we have obtained the metal zinc. Further, this metal is not pure, further we have to do the refining also. It is entirely a new topic that later in next video we will discuss. Okay children, so these are the steps that we have to follow. That extraction of metal in middle of the activity series, if metal oxide is present, if the ore of a metal is present in metal oxide form, then it is okay. If non-oxide ore is there, like sulfide or carbonate, so our first duty is to convert the sulfide and carbonate to metal oxide form. And once if we have converted it to metal oxide form, very easily by the use of reducing agent we can do the reduction of metal oxide to metal. Here we have used coke many times in various reaction. Very active metals like magnesium, aluminium also used as reducing agent, but in this case we have to use coke. For extraction of metal in the middle of activity series, generally we have to use, for this reaction we need to use coke for this reaction. Okay, so here the reducing agent is coke. And again children, you have to learn all this reaction by balancing only. Okay, you have to write down the reaction as well as you have to balance the reaction. And if you have understood nicely, then you just write down in comment section that madam we have understood nicely, and if any query is there you just ask. Okay, I think this much is sufficient. Okay children, thank you.